What is DevOps? If you've ever wondered how top tech companies release updates so quickly, or how your favorite apps seem to get better overnight, you're about to find out. Let's simplify it. No jargon, just the essentials you need to know. If you're hearing words like CI/CD, pipelines, or automation, you're in the right place. These are the building blocks of modern software delivery. I'm DeployMinds, and on this channel, I break down DevOps in a way that's easy to understand. Let's dive in and make DevOps crystal clear. First, why does DevOps even exist? It's not just a buzzword, it solves real problems in the software world. Picture this. Developers are writing new code every day, adding features, fixing bugs, and pushing updates. But the operations teams, those folks making sure the code runs smoothly on servers, often work separately, with different goals and priorities. Developers would throw code over the wall, and ops would scramble to make it work, often under tight deadlines and pressure. Result? Slow releases, tons of bugs, and lots of finger pointing. Projects stalled, customers got frustrated, and teams felt stuck. DevOps changes all that. It's a set of practices that bridges the gap between development and operations, bringing everyone together to work as a single, efficient team. The goal? Deliver software faster, safer, and way more reliably. That means happier users and less stress for everyone involved. DevOps isn't just a single tool, it's a culture shift, plus automation and the right tools. It's about changing how teams think and work together. So what does DevOps really mean? 3 things: collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement. First, collaboration. Developers and ops working as one. They share responsibility for the product, from code to deployment to maintenance. Second, automation. Scripts and tools doing the boring stuff. Automated testing, building, and deployment free up time for creative problem solving. Third, continuous everything. Testing, integrating, and deploying code non-stop. This means updates can go live in hours, not weeks. Let's make it real. Ever heard of CI/CD pipelines? They test and deploy your code automatically when you push changes, catching errors early and speeding up delivery. Infrastructure as code, like Terraform, lets you manage servers just like code. You can spin up or tear down environments in minutes, not days. Monitoring with tools like Prometheus and Grafana warns you before anything breaks. You get real-time insights and can fix issues before users notice. And containers like Docker help your app run anywhere, on your laptop, in the cloud, or on a server across the world. Why does DevOps matter? Companies using DevOps deploy faster, recover from outages quicker, and build better software. They innovate more and keep customers happy. That's why DevOps skills are in demand everywhere. From startups to tech giants, everyone wants people who understand DevOps. So, that's DevOps. It's about teamwork, smart automation, and delivering value quickly. Want more quick DevOps explainers? I cover everything from beginner basics to advanced tools, all in easy-to-follow videos. Subscribe to DeployMinds for DevOps insights and tips. Stay ahead in your tech career and join our growing community. See you in the next video, and remember, keep building, keep learning, and keep deploying.